Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we are in Bull Bay, and this section of the road, the existing roadway which was 2 lanes, is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So a lot of structures had to be removed along the roadway to make way for the 2 additional lanes. So on the left is where the Bull Bay police station used to be, but it had to be removed to make space for the additional lanes, and a lot of structures had to be removed. Now Bull Bay, because it has the highway literally going through it, it's going to be one of the towns that benefit a great deal from the building of the highway. And I think Bull Bay might actually be the town that benefits the most from the building of the highway, because you now have a 4-lane super highway literally taking you from Kingston to Bull Bay. Now Bull Bay is going to be the first major town that you come across once you leave Harborview. Basically, once you leave Kingston, you're going to get here before you get to Albion and Yalos. So Bull Bay has the potential to really benefit from this highway because it's 4 lanes. I mean, you can get to Bull Bay in probably less than 10 minutes now when the road is finished. So they have actually set up a new police station. It's temporary until they build another one, and I wouldn't be surprised if you're going to hear about a lot of investments going into Bull Bay. Bull Bay could use a gas station, because there's no gas station in Bull Bay, and Bull Bay actually has the Bob Marley Beach in the vicinity of the town, and they're building a luxury hotel on Bob Marley Beach. I'm sure you've heard about it in the news for one reason or the other. Now look at the beach by Bull Bay. It's a very nice beach. It just needs to be developed. There is so much potential here. Very nice beach. This side of the island has been, a lot of investment hasn't gone into this side of the island, but that's going to change because of this road. A 4-lane highway, no more the winding road and the bad road full of potholes. You can get here. Look at how beautiful this side of the island is. You can get here with ease, driving on a highway, the kind of highway you'd find in a first world country. There are few places in Jamaica that have roads as nice as this, and this highway literally goes through Bull Bay. You don't have to exit to get here. It goes through Bull Bay. So I believe Bull Bay is going to get the most, it's going to benefit the most from the highway. Yalos already is a developed town. It will definitely get some more traffic. Now from Harborview to Bull Bay and then Bull Bay to Yalos, the road is 4 lanes. The rest of the highway from Yalos to Portland is 2 lanes. So that is why getting to Bull Bay, it's going to be so much easier. And the land values over here have definitely gone up. And the highway is not finished yet. It's still kind of, how would you say it now? You still have some delays when driving over here because of the construction. So can you imagine when it's finished? And we really have to give the government credit. I don't know if it's the current one or the previous one, whichever one came up with the idea of building this road. Actually, This road was to be a toll road, but it was changed somewhere along the way to what you have now. This road is not a toll road, so you don't have to pay toll to use it. This is what the road looks like when you're driving now from the car. Before it was a drone, some drone footage. And the hotel that's to open up here is a luxury hotel. We'll do a video on the hotel when they get started. So guys, let me ask you a question. Which area do you think, or which town or district, which area basically is going to be, do you think will benefit the most from the opening of this highway? And basically we can do it in two parts. Between Kingston and Yalos, where the road is 4 lanes, which area do you think is going to benefit the most? The area that's going to grow and get the most investments? I think it's Bull Bay. You guys can leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. And then the section from Yalos to Portland, which is 2 lanes. We'll do another video on that section where with the area we think will get the most economic benefit. The area basically that will benefit the most. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. As you can see, it's still under construction. This road should finish all 4 lanes. The section between Harborview and Yalos, which includes the section we're driving through now, it should finish by December of this year. And this section definitely will finish by December. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.